have you prepared? Have you studied that point? Have you studied this portion? Oh, I didn't forgot. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot that. No, I forgot this. These are all the discussions that's going to happen because after 1.5 years of time, our students are writing the offline exams for the first time at Presence University. And today in this video, it's a special one because we will be talking to our controller of examinations, Mr. Surendra Kumar sir, and he's also the PVC for technical aspects of Presence University. He is with us, and it is going to be a very, very detailed discussion or talks, I should say, because students are a little tensed or worried about offline classes. But sir, happy that it's happening on offline. Are you little happy about it or circumspect about it? How is it?
Actually, the process started actually bringing the students in the campus for the offline classes. There was a huge impact. At present, we can say that around 30% students are in the campus. So next step, as per our government policy, which they eased to conduct the examination offline and the thing, with all this, what is the pandemic, that regulations and SOP, we planned actually to conduct. First, we targeted MBA midterm, and that actually clicked very well. Out of 610 students who were registered, 559 students were in the campus, which we started on last Saturday. Okay, so it was. I can say it is 92%. And we are seeing that enthusiastic and they're mingling together because this batch, especially this MBA batch, 2020 batch, they are coming the first time. Even when we call for the offline classes, that it was not that much. This one only around 10% only were in the campus. When we forced the students to come to the campus for attending this, because a lot of, that when you are conducting online examination, because they are sitting in that home, so will not give a fruitful, what is that, even the good students, they wanted to come to the campus to write that. Only very less students, which that they may not be that much interested. But this clicked well. Now we can see in the campus the second examination is going on. We are conducting 2 exams per day, a morning from 10 to 11:30, then evening 2 to 1.5 hour, because it is I'm seeing the campus itself will become. I'm just recollected the old when we are conducting offline. It was where squad is going and invigilators or this one saying that we want everything, especially that conduction of online examination in that portal. It is something. It is a very not only the troublesome. It is making something irritate people like that. So we'll not get a proper result. Analysis is wise also. We are not getting a proper results also. Now when we are conducting offline, it will become then evaluation. It will become, I can say, more transparency in that as far as good students is. Those who deserve to get good marks while conducting offline, they will get it.
No, 100%, sir. Nothing like an offline exam because that is where the reality is all about. And we are happy that we are slowly limping back towards that. Sir, a little bit of, on terms of the preparations that we have done. I mean, of course, social distancing. And social distancing now becomes a very important tool, no, when the examination is on, right? So now social distancing, how is it and what have we maintained?
Now, as far as this MBA is concerned, we are conducting in 20 classrooms. In each classroom of 60 and 72, some classes are 72. We are making the students only around 12 to around 18 students, not more than that. That means in each bench, I can say 2 people. Okay. That we are maintaining that all these norms as far as COVID-19 is concerned. And even the what is that, every the floor we are keeping the sanitizer, that this one. So and even we allowed the students to bring their own the water, so that is also will take care. And all the we can see that the students, although they are mingling, but we told we are making them to not to make that too much crowded and other thing. So we have certain security people arranged that. We'll take care about that also. In that. Yeah.
Sir, also something on the lines of course, our students are very, very good, not indulging in any malpractice or something like that. But depending on those lines and the students coming here, please tell us about the squad strength that is looking after this.
See, we have separate two teams. From the deans and HOD level, we have one squad. There is a flying squad with the help of some lab instructors and some junior staff. They will go even for frisking also. And that team generally we had earlier also. And we have one more thing which there is a UMMC committee as far as our regulation is concerned. That is a unfair means and malpractice committee. So we have a strong policy which will look into that this one. And very rare only it's happening. But if it is happened, definitely we'll take into act.
No, definitely. Because as far as we are concerned, our students are not that kind of students who will be indulging in malpractice and all that. And a very serious squad is also around. But to close out on the video, have you spoken to any students? Have they spoken to you about their feeling, their experience of writing the offline after 1.5 years?
Yes. So, the first thing is they told, although we thought it is coming to the campus is not now good in that, but now they are saying that you are taking right decisions. They are so happy they wanted to even attend even that for all the examination in future.
Right, sir. Superb. So let us also talk to the students directly and let us take their experience and how it is. But thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
That was Dr. Surendra Kumar, the controller of examinations at Presidency University. And we do have people who have already written and come back and they are preparing for the next exam as well. And I have Sadantra with me. Did I pronounce your name correctly?
Yeah, you did.
Okay, what does that mean actually?
It's independence.
Oh, Swatantra, right? Okay, correct. I was thinking on the lines of Swatantra, but right. But it was how was it? What's the spelling?
It's SATNTRN.
Oh, Satantra, right. Fantastic. Where are you from? And how was the exam in the morning that you wrote? Offline exam after 1.5 years. Old charm coming back.
Yeah, like we are excited for the offline exams, but also horror of the results, like what we have wrote. We don't know exactly. So, and I'm from West Bengal.
Right. Okay. So we also have another friend of yours here. What's your name?
Pratusha.
Pratusha. Hi, Pratusha. So how was the morning exam? How was it? Offline exam after 1.5 years. I felt the old charm coming back because at last time preparation, going to the examination hall tickets, tension. It's actually nice to enjoy that, doesn't it?
It was good, but when I saw the exam paper, I was quite nervous at that time. But let's see what happens. And I'm also from West Bengal.
Oh, lovely. Tell me the difference between online exams and offline exams. Which one do you enjoy the most?
Definitely enjoy the online one because I need to study less, no doubt. But we have to be online and excited for the online classes too.
Right. So, but don't you think offline has got that old charm more, the real examination feel more?
That's definitely like we are writing exams after 2 years almost. So we didn't ready for that. So I guess we will be habituated accordingly.
Cool. So slowly but surely they are limping back and I will not disturb them much. You guys are getting ready for the next exam. And I also have another branch of guys there. There we go. Waving at us. So we'll be there coming back and talking to you guys. In a flash, I'm from top to down. But the reason why I've come so quickly is because we have a group of friends of us who's already written some exams and probably getting prepared for the afternoon session as well to write the exams. What's your name?
My name is Swati.
Swati, hi Swati, and we have Aishwarya, and don't ask me why only I know Aishwarya's name, because Shakti's name also I know, and Shakti keeps telling, Arre sir, you only talk to Aishwarya. No, nothing like that Aishwarya. Shakti, I talk to you also. What's your name?
Ishika.
Ishika, right, fantastic. So how was the exam that you wrote in the morning? Offline exam after say 1.5 years?
Yeah.
How was that? Nervousness, sweaty palms, tension?
Yes, of course there was nervousness and everything, but we were quite prepared because we were told in prior that midterms gonna be offline. So yeah, it was a good experience after probably 2 years, 1.5 years. It was a really good experience lighting it offline.
Oh, fantastic. So somebody is there actually, unlike me, who's actually enjoyed exams and who's actually written it well. And we have the student here because she's the only one having the file. I don't know where is Shakti's books. I don't know where he is just after the exams. Arre, chal, kya karenge abhi, chal. So, but still, first I'll talk to Shakti because or else he'll feel bad saying, Arre, no, you talk to Aishwarya first. Shakti, you're getting prepared for the offline exam in the afternoon session that's going to come up now after this. So, what is the difference, Shakti, according to you? Online exams, offline exams, which is better? What do you feel?
So I feel offline exam is better because in online we used to keep the answering the MCQs question. So it was like if we mark it as wrong, we lose all marks. But in offline we are writing exam in description. We are exploring our thought processes, like what we think and how we take as a management student, how I am taking my decision. So that is what I am expressing. So that is preparing myself also to express myself, my subject to in the interviews, or if I am going for any my own business, if I am going or facing interview, I'll be able to express myself more if I am attending the exams because I am prepared with the subjects and also.
Alright, fantastic, fantastic. So Shakti is actually not taller than me. She also thinks better than me there. Lovely, Shakti, lovely points. But yeah, so tell me, you finished your exams. How was it again? Going back to that old days of charm, writing the exams. Really, what it means? Getting the answer sheets, getting that additional sheet. How many additional sheets did you take, Ved?
So just one additional sheet.
You took one additional sheet. Claps for that. Seriously, more than me, you have taken one additional sheet. Fantastic. But yeah, joking apart. But how was it? How was that old charm?
So it was good. It was like in the offline exams, it's something like we have something in mind and that we are writing in description. So it will help us during the placement sessions as well. But during the online exam, we had somewhere in our mind that it would be from Google and we can search and write and things like that. So we don't recall things there. So it's better. Offline is much better.
Right. So the main villain is googlekumar.com. Yeah, so because of him, offline exams are much better is what we are trying to say. Can I talk to Aishwarya? Right, Aishwarya, studio student you look like, and you also have a file around, and she also has her specs. So you are student, you are a studio student. But yeah, Aishwarya, how was it? How was it writing offline?
It was really difficult, to be honest, because we had that mindset like earlier, that flow was there. But now, after a year, we are writing exactly after a year, so it was difficult a bit, but then we managed. Getting up early morning, studying again. Yeah, it was all again flashbacks happening.
I know. So we are trying to say we have lost the touch a little bit. Right. So yeah, we have just lost the touch of writing the exam and that speed, that pace. Probably say how many marks we have it and how many specified duration of time. Wow. But how do you think that you need to cope up with this?
We are doing practice, to be honest. The best thing a man can do is practice. It makes him better. And to be honest, writing this exam is good as we are getting hands-on experience on the skills that we are taught also. So yeah.
So we are all for offline exams, right?
Yes.
Right, no doubt about it. Fantastic. I'm happy that Shakti is also thinking like me. When you go to offline exams, only then you probably have something or somewhere to. Now to no malpractice available because social distancing itself makes it a little more difficult, right? Generally in exams, of course, we don't practice, but social distancing, how was it, Shakti? How was the social distancing maintained?
So social distancing, I would say COVID protocols were followed very well. As now also you can see we all are wearing masks. We are sitting at a great distance. Even in classroom, we have ample space between two people. So that thing has been taken care very well.
Fantastic.
Yes,
Fantastic. So that's our Presidency University. Slowly but surely, we are limping back to normalcy. This is the first of the offline exams that probably we are trying to have many more offline exams to come. And Shakti will be promising out marks and all that. He will not commit that in the video, but he is committed me in my ears that he is going to get out of it. Right, Shakti?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Abhi video pe commit ho gaya, Shakti. Thanks, guys. Thank you.